SEVINN XPR Post Remover. No project is ever completed without a small mistake here and there, but thanks to the SEVINN XPR Post Remover, fixing mistakes will be a piece of cake. With this remarkable tool, even Y-shaped poles can be easily removed from the ground, and it manages to remove posts without damaging them. The operator uses their feet to work the automated tool and pull the posts out, so there will be no hassle at all. The standard version is suited for general work, but when you need to bring out the big guns, there is a heavy-duty version available that can work in tough conditions. For instance, in clay soil. The price is only available on request though. So how much do you think this tool is worth? Kneel-It V3. We start off this exciting countdown with a truly wondrous invention, something that will save your knees and back endless amounts of strain. Say goodbye to knee stiffness and loss of blood flow when working on projects that require you to work down on your knees. The roller mounts have a spring-loaded seat that can rotate an impressive 360 degrees. The knee seat can handle a total weight of 250 pounds or 114 kilograms. The system works effortlessly on both concrete and asphalt surfaces, and it's ideal for both professional and personal use. For a price tag of $320, this device is outstanding, especially considering that it will save you the cost of having to deal with arthritis later on. Now that your back pain is taken care of, we can look at gadgets to solve other pesky issues, like cable tangling. Stay tuned. Fetra Plattenroller. Moving things like boards and big sheets is a daily requirement on the construction site, and this is why the Fetra Plattenroller is a tool absolutely everyone needs. It's basically a dolly that will be an invaluable helper. Simply place the desired options into its jaws and effortlessly roll to your destination. This marvel gadget comes with a choice between solid rubber and pneumatic tires, and thanks to its felt coating, it's easy to grip and control. The working width is adjustable from 1.2 to 3.7 inches or 30 to 95 millimeters. The tool is a German invention, proving why its functionality and reliability will be second to none. The price tag of $125 is definitely understandable, and this single investment will ensure that back pains on the job are a thing of the past. Keep your eyes peeled for another interesting tool that will make wire management a breeze. Cable Guide Roller Shaft. Modern tools are often quite advanced and complex, but sometimes good old simplicity wins the race. The Cable Guide Roller Shaft is one of the most practical tools you can invest in to ensure tangling wires and cables no longer give you gray hair. This roller can be screwed onto the desired surface to guide your cables, and the frame is made from steel while the rollers are aluminum. This equates to it being one of the most lightweight and durable tools on the market, weighing in at less than 6.5 pounds or 3 kilograms. There are versions available for cables up to 4 inches or 10 centimeters thick, and they can support an impressive weight of 3,300 pounds or 1.5 tons. The price is $85, which is a total steal. Have you ever imagined constructing an entire foundation yourself? Up next soon, we'll take a look at a tool that finally makes this possible. Wire stripper. Looking at yet another incredibly useful tool, we have the wire stripper from China, an ideal solution for twisted pair cables. This tool is a wire cutter, stripper, and crimper all in one, but it's also so much more. The handy little tool weighs less than 0.35 ounces or 10 grams, and it fits neatly inside your hand with a comfortable feel. This geniusly simple tool will make wire stripping easier than ever, and since it comes in 10 different colors, you can truly have your pick. You'll be even happier when hearing the price, since it's only $6 for 100 units. After you've stripped all your wires, drilling often comes next, and you definitely don't want to miss out on the amazing drilling tool coming up. Batter boards. Working solo is not always easy, even for the pros. But now no job will eat up too much of your time or energy with these new Batter Boss fasteners. And working alone will now be a breeze. It is now possible, for example, for one person to install an entire concrete foundation, using only this product to effortlessly move around and support the wooden formwork. Construction has never been so easy and efficient, and very soon, batter boards will be a must-have on every construction site. For those who are interested, a set of 6 batter board fasteners will cost around $36. Zircon ExitPoint XL500. Precision drilling shouldn't only be accessible to the most elite of contractors, but also to those of us who are just trying to hang a mirror. That's why the Zircon ExitPoint XL500 is such a great tool and is about to shake up the world of drilling. The designers claim that it's not only the quickest, but also the easiest method available, and they might be right. With it, you can effortlessly mark the exit points on various surfaces such as walls, ceilings, floors, and partitions. And because the exit point is always visible, you can easily drill in the right place every time, and no mistakes will creep in because there is no guesswork involved. This versatile and user-friendly tool currently sells for $80 and it's compatible with wood, drywall, brick, and concrete. It's suitable for materials up to 9 inches or 23 centimeters thick, and comes in a kit with 2 magnetic targets. Also included are adhesive discs for easy installation, a reliable battery, and a durable case to keep everything organized. Why would you ever dare to jump to reach a tool while working on a roofing job? Keep your eyes peeled for the Pitch Hopper, a roofing tool that will blow your mind. Folding pole saw. We're all about compact tools that make our lives easier. And in this regard, the folding pole saw is a shining star. This tool folds in on itself so that the handle acts like a sheath, which means that its size can be reduced from 24 to 17 inches, or 60 to 33 centimeters. For every 0.99 inches or 2.5 centimeters, there are a total of 17 teeth on one end, while on the other, there are 10 for unmatched cutting versatility. At only 1 pound or 450 grams, this amazing saw will never hold you down, and it will be able to keep up with all sawing demands. The price is a meager $29 for one. Grube Forstreich Funk-Fällkeil TR300. Statistics show that in the next 25 years, the world demand for wood will surge. To keep up with this growth, gadgets like the TR300 will be invaluable. The special tool works with a remote control that has an impressive range of 328 feet or 100 meters. As an important safety consideration, it comes equipped with an emergency stop switch. It can lift a whopping 55,000 pounds or 25 tons. And to make it even more convincing, it also has an elevation ability of 2.4 inches or 6 centimeters. When complex timber situations arise, it has a locking strap, and it's super easy to maneuver since it only weighs 20 pounds or 9 kilograms. Although this is without the battery, the price is a steep $3,050, but most would agree that it's well worth it. This countdown has something for everyone, so if you're looking for construction and surveying tools, the Prism nail holder will definitely leave you impressed. CENTERFINDER. Finding the center of the material you are cutting no longer has to be anxiety-induced guesswork. The Milescraft company has been making tools for a long time, and now they are lending another hand to construction workers by designing an extremely straightforward and cost-effective way to mark boards for cutting. For only $7, you get a gadget that can be used for marking boards up to 2.5 inches or 65 millimeters wide. Has both inch and millimeter notches ranging from 0.1 to 0.6 inches or 0.2 to 1.6 centimeters, and comes with a magnetized leg for easy storage. Prism nail holder. Building and surveying experts will know just how important a quality total station is for accurate surveying and landscaping, and the Prism nail holder is guaranteed to provide the peace of mind you're looking for. The Prism nail holder will often be spotted on the worksite, and it uses adjustable prism reflectors to provide unmatched range and precision. It also has a nifty built-in level for accurate measurements and to make transport easy. The lower and upper parts are detachable. The price is $390, which definitely sounds reasonable for a tool that will be this useful on the job site. Have you ever wished that you had a convenient pipe cleaning tool that you can carry with you on the go? Now introducing the ROTHENBERGER R600 VarioClean. ROTHENBERGER R600 VarioClean. Plumbers have to do a fair share of nasty work, and this is why they definitely deserve advanced tools like the ROTHENBERGER R600 VarioClean. Think of the superhero of the pipe cleaning world, and this is the gadget that will pop up. The VarioClean is suited for both indoor and outdoor pipes, and it supports pipes with a diameter of between 0.8 to 5.9 inches, or 20 to 150 millimeters. Your pipes will never be cleaner than with the revolutionary VarioClean, and all this for less effort than ever before. Even better, the device is cordless and works on batteries. This means you can work anywhere without worrying about electricity, and all this comes in at a price of $3,100. Monkey clamp. Clambering onto a ladder remains one of the most common and yet most dangerous tasks by DIYers and professionals have to deal with. So much so that 34,000 people sustain serious injuries that require medical attention in the US alone every year thanks to ladder accidents. You can now transform your ladder safety forever with the monkey clamp. No more awkwardly searching for tools or climbing while trying to balance everything. This tool attaches to your ladder and provides the perfect resting spot for your paint cans, brushes, hammers, and any other tool you may need. Innovation in safety is always welcome, and for only $35, you can be a part of the new, safer ladder world. How about a micro drill that can fit right into your pocket? We have all this and more coming right up. Batavia Nexxsaw. Up next, we have something for the chainsaw lovers, a one-handed saw that's guaranteed to make your day better. The 2-amp-hour battery can provide 100 seamless cuts, and the tool weighs a meager 5 pounds or 2 kilograms. Now the fun part. There are 2 models to choose from. The first offers a 6-inch or 15-centimeter blade, and the second a 7-inch or 18-centimeter blade, and both have impressive cutting abilities. Both of the models offer nifty features like an angle adjustment of 32 degrees. Additionally, the reach can be lengthened to 10 feet or 3 meters using an extension. Included in your purchase will also be a manual grease pump and a protective case. And as a starting price, you're looking at about $207. Kreg Micro Pocket Drill Guide Kit 530. Before we get to the best of modern work lighting, let's dive into drills. These days, $300 is not a lot of money, but that doesn't mean you can afford to not have the right tools. Whether you're a professional or doing it just for fun, at the heart of this kit is a comprehensive docking station featuring an expansion pack, a jig clamp, drill guides, and various add-ons. The real beauty of this toolkit lies in its flexibility. For example, one of the drill guides features an auto max clamp, suitable for workpieces ranging from 0.5 to 1.1 inches or 13 to 28 millimeters thick. It can be paired with a vacuum cleaner for a cleaner workspace. When you need to deal with lengthy boards and plywood, you can easily apply extra bolstering, and conversely, for thinner workpieces, there's a nifty little drill guide that allows you to drill holes 25% smaller, so it's perfect for using on those delicate projects. TOLSEN Revolving Punch Pliers. Sewing is definitely not an outdated hobby by any means, and with a versatile tool like the TOLSEN Revolving Punch Pliers, sewing is only the start of the list of cool hobbies you'll be able to take on. TOLSEN offers a wide range of cool tools, but very few compete with the Revolving Punch Pliers. It's got 6 hole sizes reaching 0.2 inches or 5.5 millimeters on the biggest. It's ideal for leather pieces, and a plethora of DIY projects you may want to tackle. The price tag is only $12, so this is the deal of a lifetime. Evolution Cordless R2700 WLT Lie Work Light. Are you on the search for a work light that you'll use for absolutely everything? The Evolution Cordless R2700 WLT Lie Work Light is the answer, and this new age illumination gadget will definitely be as cool as it sounds. The light has 3 adjustable brightness options for any scenario, and with a 2-amp-hour battery, it can offer continuous lighting for 4.5 hours. There are 30 individual LED lights inside it, each with an amazing lifespan of 5,000 hours. It has a very sturdy steel frame to be rugged for any kind of work. and it's even adjustable in 360 degrees. There, you need to hang this light on a nail, mount it on a beam, or hold it overhead. It can do everything you need and more for $63. Stay tuned for an amazing Ryobi invention that will transform your sawing days. Milescraft DrawerJig. Luckily for all the technicians, craftsmen, and furniture makers out there, Milescraft understands that speed is often the key to any successful job, but also that you can't sacrifice precision in the process. So they created this practical solution, a multi-piece kit that streamlines rail installation and provides secure support for drawers, thanks to its built-in non-slip pads and convenient levels. With 25 pieces included in the kit, this project will open up a whole new world of ways to get the job done and will become an essential part of your toolbox. For only $25, this tool is the one you can't afford to miss out on. Ryobi handheld tile, masonry saw. No tool list will be complete without an addition from one of the world's most popular brands. That's why we're including this top-tier saw from Ryobi in our lineup of envy-worthy products. On a single charge, this tool delivers approximately 100 feet or 30 meters of cutting capacity, making it a real workhorse that can effortlessly handle materials such as stone tiles, pavers, bricks, and glass. It can be relied on for uninterrupted work sessions without worrying about running out of power. The creators claim it is simply the pinnacle of cutting efficiency and have made a $259 kit available for purchase that includes a 4-amp-hour battery and a charger. This handheld saw has got a maximum cutting depth of 1.6 inches or 41 millimeters, used at a 90-degree angle. Comes with a convenient 20.5 ounce or 60 millimeter container to catch all the chips and dust. To seal the deal, it is part of the renowned 18V 1 Plus collection, an impressive array of over 280 specialized tools. Do you want to take control of your roofing? Well, the Primegrip Clawverine may be exactly what you've been looking for. The pitch hopper. Friction is a wonderful force that can do so much more than just stop things from slipping. If used the right way, it can change the way we get things done. A team of bright people have now finally managed to harness this power to create a new kind of tool, especially for roofers and builders. The pitch hopper was designed by engineers, scientists, and inventors to make working on roofs both easier and safer, and currently comes in 2 models. The first model is a 24-inch or 61-centimeter wedge weighing 6 pounds or 2.7 kilograms, while the second is a 32-inch or 81 centimeters or wedge weighing 7 pounds or 3.5 kilograms. These wedges are so tough that you can literally jump on them, and both versions have a max capacity of 250 pounds or 113 kilograms. With prices starting at just $100, you can't afford not to try them out. Primegrip Clawverine. Taking some inspiration from Wolverine, the Primegrip Clawverine is one of the handiest roofing tools around. This premium pry bar measures in at 15 inches or 38 centimeters, so it's a compact tool that offers endless functionality. The tool is perfect for dismantling roofs, since it doubles as a nail and shingle puller. The high-carbon spring steel that it's made from is super durable and can handle some wear and tear. Its unique design makes it easy to extract the hardest-to-reach spots. And at a price of $75, this tool is a complete no-brainer. Saker Multifunction Scribing Tool. DIY companies are often held back by the exorbitant price of certain tools, but this is definitely not the case with the scribing tool. This marking tool is perfectly suited for wood, tiles, linoleum, and much more. And on a construction site, this little marvel will definitely be something workers fight over, whether you need to make notes, mark where holes should be, or have to work with corners. It has a rugged aluminum body that will not let you down. The tool is compact enough to fit right into your pocket, so no heavy lugging is required, and it often offers one-handed use to ensure the utmost convenience. The price is an impressive $30, so you can get yours today. When you have done all your markings, you'll need a revolutionary pump to complete the job, and our next topic features the best modern pump you can get your hands on. TerraPump Trep 01 TXL. If a product is very versatile, high quality, and easy to use, you would probably expect it to have a big price tag. But it's not the case with this ridiculously user-friendly multi-purpose pump from the Terra brand of Wonder Tools. For only $70, you can get one of the greatest tools ever made. Whether you need to transport or pump water, gas, chemicals, or basically anything else, you will only need this one product. This tool is in high demand because it is battery powered, so you can use it anywhere for even more enhanced convenience. It comes with a 3-meter or 10-foot hose. A last thing to note about the TerraPump Trep 01 TXL is that it has a simple portable design, and it boasts the ability to pump 2.4 gallons or 9 liters per minute. It is powered by 2D batteries and fits snugly into a tool bag because its total length can be reduced by up to 5 inches or 13 centimeters. ROTHENBERGER RP 50 Digital. If you have ever tried it, you would know that it is sometimes very tricky to test things that are under enormous pressure, and huge tanks filled with water or other liquids can often be a real challenge to work with. That's why the cutting-edge manual pressure test pump, the ROTHENBERGER RP 50 Digital, is here to make life a little easier. It's the first of its kind to feature a digital pressure sensor, so information can now be taken straight from the pump itself and displayed onto your phone in real time, allowing you to enjoy immediate feedback. The standard model can cope with pressures of up to 435 psi or 30 bar, and if you need a bit more brawn, the RP50S is able to handle up to 870 psi or 60 bar. It's designed for liquids up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit or 50 degrees Celsius, and both models feature valves that are protected from dirt. The pumps boast a capacity of 1.5 to 1.7 ounces or 45 to 50 millimeters per minute, and all for a price of just $360. Rumpometer RM35. Uninterrupted productivity is perhaps a concept that most would find hard to imagine, and yet it is one of the most fundamentally important elements in any successful undertaking, especially in the construction world. That's why you need something like this digital cable length measuring device in your kit. Not only can you work for 100 hours straight on a single battery charge, but you can measure the length of cable on any spool faster and more accurately than you could ever have dreamed possible with a manual approach. The Rumpometer is compatible with cable diameters ranging from 0.1 to 1.2 inches or 2 to 32 millimeters, and it offers added versatility with its addition and countdown options. It can be USB-C charged and has a clever built-in reversible connector that won't get damaged no matter how much it twists and turns. To top it off, it will last a long time because of its durable dust, shock, and splash-proof design. This game-changing gadget sells for $365. Do you struggle to carry hefty logs around? Thankfully, there is now an amazing gadget for this too. Pipe MAB200. Specialists understand that they can use the amazing might of magnets to achieve some pretty cool things. And luckily for us, a group of German innovators have decided to share their knowledge and know-how with the world by developing a new patented drilling device that can harness this power and channel it into precision pipe drilling. What sets this tool apart is its magnetic clamping system, which automatically adjusts to fit the diameter of the pipe you're working on at that moment. The robust 1050-watt motor can reach speeds of up to 450 revolutions per minute, but despite its its power, this machine weighs a mere 35 pounds, or 16 kilograms. It boasts an impressive attraction force of up to 2,200 pounds or 1,020 kilograms, and it's capable of handling tube diameters starting from 3 inches or 85 millimeters and thickness from 0.1 inches or 3 millimeters and up. This revolutionary tool is available for $940. Yato Log Hook. Keeping it simple is a principle that applies to so many things that are important in life, and it seems the makers of this device took this to heart when they created this innovative log hook. Both sturdy and reliable, it's a prime example of how simplicity can often outperform complexity. These hooks are made for the outdoors and have proven their worth in places like forests and orchards by making it possible to move heavy logs and branches with as little effort as possible. For $10, you can get the basic model that is made of robust 0.4-inch or 10mm steel wire paired with a comfortable plastic handle. And for more demanding jobs like chopping up rock-solid blocks of wood, you can get the more heavy-duty model that features 7.5-inch or 190mm serrated blades. Additionally, the tongs on these models can be used to do away with even the most stubborn of logs, so you don't have to hesitate when making this investment. Tile cutter. Tile cutters are not usually this interesting, but for some reason, we can't get enough of this super sleek and sophisticated system that currently retails for around $120. Not only will you not need any batteries, but for the same weights as a large pumpkin, you can get an impressively convenient device that will help you with all your tiling jobs, no matter how big. When you're done, it can be folded away and carried in a bag. This versatile tool can be used with one hand, effortlessly cuts tiles up to 12 feet or 3.6 meters in length. Based on the model chosen, it has also been given a guide rail equipped with multiple suction cups, ensuring a very secure grip and preventing any slipping during use. It's truly the ideal tile working tool. Now that tiling is no longer a construction headache, we can turn our attention to marvelous mixing machines that will take all the back-breaking labor out of the job. Skil Twist 2.0. Not a lot of products can claim to have been designed with such single-minded brilliance and ingenuity as the Skil Twist 2.0 cordless screwdriver, and even fewer can offer so many benefits for such a low price, at just $40. This wireless wonder tool is perfect for nearly all your DIY needs, from furniture assembly to tricky IT work. What really sets it apart is its ability to work in even the tightest spots, because it can pivot and lock into 22.5-degree or 45-degree angles. Its magnetic hex collet, LED light, and adjustable torque settings are also a bonus. Its impressive 22 pounds or 10 kilograms of torque capability makes it suitable for handling various standard size screws, and the single 4V lithium-ion battery can be easily recharged using a USB-C cable. There's no doubt that this tool will give you the long-lasting performance you need. Invis Mk2. Here we have another must-have gadget that will make your life just a bit easier every time you use it. This incredibly discreet little magnet-driven connector has been made specifically to make your furniture look and function better, and will make you wonder how you ever got along without it. It is unique not only because it is so easy to use and can be easily and clamp-lessly disassembled and reconnected within seconds, but also because of its seamless design, which is free of any visible openings. This technology makes it lock more tightly than any other connector, and it comes in at a two-piece kit. The dowel has a central male and female thread that securely screws into pre-drilled holes, providing a sturdy foundation for your furniture. The mini mag paired with a cordless drill that puts out an impressive clamping force of up to 551 pounds or 250 kilograms per connector. Whether you're working on high-gloss painted furniture, intricately molded work pieces, or even stair installations, you've found the perfect product for your next project. The entire starter kit sells for $595. Ryobi Mud Mixer. How about a mixer for those grueling daily construction tasks? Here it is, the Ryobi Mud Mixer, one of the ONE+ tools that will complete your toolkit. It's a powerful tool that can mix paint, mud, grout, and even concrete, and it has 6 speed settings for unmatched efficiency. The dual handle makes for comfortable use, and on a single charge it can mix as many as 30 buckets. The design also ensures that accessory changes are quick and easy, and at only 7 pounds or about 3 kilograms, it's perfect to take with you everywhere on the job site. No user fatigue and strain will be experienced, and with its die-cast metal gear case and steel chuck, it will never let you down. The price is a very reasonable $250. So will you invest in this automatic mixer that will change your daily construction duties for the better? Would you invest in a stackable toolbox? Wait and see all the cool features of the Flex Stack Pack. Drywall Master Automatic Taper. Here's the end to all your drywall worries. The Drywall Master Automatic Taper. This high-quality tape gun stands out above the competition with constant precise application of tape that ensures wasted time and material is a thing of the past. Thanks to its easy use, it's perfect for every skill level as well. The taper has adjustable features such as a patented cover for cleaning and an adjustable brake roller, all resulting in unmatched convenience. You can count on smooth operation and a control arm stabilizer, and it can even have an extended reach. To make it even more compelling, the tool also offers interchangeability with various major brands. All this can be yours for the price of $1,575. The tool is made from aircraft quality steel and tubing that's hard-coated, so it will never let you down. Flex Stack Pack. Imagine a toolbox you can stack for easy organization. This is the Flex Stack Pack, a toolbox set including a suitcase toolbox, an organizer box, and a medium rolling toolbox to ensure the entire thing can be carted around with ease. Thanks to its rugged wheels, this toolbox is incredibly mobile and can navigate any terrain with remarkable ease. The design has clever quick connect, interlocking attachment points, and a gasket in the lid ensures that nothing gets inside. The toolbox set has a weight capacity of 500 pounds or 227 kilograms, and it's strong enough to handle heavy impact forces. There are quite a few storage accessories available, and on Amazon, it starts out at $169. Will you be making this amazing toolbox upgrade? Hilti DX6. Next, we take a look at another classic from Hilti, the DX6 bolt fastener that will streamline facade, construction, and formwork like never before. Whether you need to fasten sheet metal, timber, or anything in between, this is the tool for you. The compact design of this tool is remarkably efficient, and it stands out since it produces less dust and noise from any other model. This is the ultimate gadget for fastening drainage foil, steel masonry, and so much more. There are very few tools that can compete with this revolutionary new Hilti DX6, and even though it has a price tag of $1,850. It's a life-changing investment you'll never look back on. Need an alignment tool? Laser technology is the in thing. Milwaukee M12 Laser. Some tools are much more than the sum of their parts, and the Milwaukee M12 Laser is one of them. This leveling and alignment tool is suited for various professional trades, and it ensures that manual errors are a thing of the past. The cross-line laser projection is ideal for both horizontal and vertical leveling, and you won't need any additional tools to get the job done when you have this tool. Even on uneven surfaces, it's able to provide accurate measurements thanks to its 3-mode pendulum system. You can count on superior visibility thanks to the bright green diodes, and it's got a rechargeable battery, so you never have to worry about wires getting in your way. It has an IP54 rating that proves how tough it is, and the steep price of $600 is definitely justified. Barbwire Hog On-Site. Do you feel like fortifying your property? Well, the Barbwire Hog On-Site is the ultimate solution that'll make putting up barbed wire a breeze. With this machine, installing barbed wire is no longer a strenuous and time-consuming task. The machine revolutionizes the task by dispensing 3 rolls of barbed wire at once. This greatly cuts down on the duration of installation, and it ensures you don't have to worry about handling these dangerous tools with your hands. It's fitted with advanced hydraulic arms and unrolls the barbed wire directly against the posts. You can also lay new wire from either side of the fence thanks to the smart pivotal arm at the base, and you can configure it to any site conditions. The machine has a price tag of just over $10,000. Parker Punch Tool. Decking enthusiasts, listen up. This tool is everything you'll need for amazingly easy work. The Parker Punch Tool is great for saving labor and effort, and it can manage a total of 1,200 punches per hour. This is 9,600 per day to be precise, and that allows you to as much as triple even the most efficient manual working. The modern tool is thankfully compatible with 18, 20, and 22 gauge decking, and it boasts incredibly powerful jaws that will cut through decking like butter. It's lightweight as well, only tipping the scales at 40 pounds or 18 kilograms. For a reasonable price of $2,800, will you be investing in this tool? Don't miss out on our marvelous scaffolding invention coming up soon. Metaltech Climb & Go. The creators of the Metaltech Climb & Go have definitely taken the advice of work smarter, not harder, and the result is a new type of scaffolding that puts all others to shame. Imagine not having to get down from your working position and shift the entire scaffolding structure every time you need to move. With the Climb & Go, this is now entirely possible. The smart scaffolding can travel a whopping 4,500 feet or 1,370 meters on a single charge. The entire thing is controlled by a simple joystick. The payload of this modern marvel is an impressive 500 pounds or 227 kilograms. A great feature is that it's compatible with most batteries from major construction names such as Makita and DeWalt. This scaffolding marvel comes in at $1,650. Smart Edge Roller. For only $25, you can now invest in this game-changing device that will ensure you don't have to spend hours prepping the room with masking tape before you can start your painting makeover. The productive insert ensures that you won't paint over your windowsills and wall outlets, and it's got a 6-ounce or 170-gram capacity to ensure endless painting fun. 96 feet or 30 meters of coverage to be exact. The trigger that releases more paint onto your roller is controlled by your thumb for effortless working. And the 3-inch or 8-centimeter roller is remarkably easy to clean. We're pretty sure it's the tool that's more than worth the investment. PowerTech and Solary Infrared Paint Drawing Lamp. Talking of painting, let's take a look at the PowerTech and Solary Infrared Paint Drawing Lamp. The best modern technology rolled into one convenient form. There are 2 versions that will be available for you, and both are equally exciting. The yellow variant is capable of drawing 2 component paints in as little as 15 minutes, and it boasts an impressive temperature range of 140 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, or 50 to 70 degrees Celsius. Even better, it offers 180-degree lamp rotation and 300 degrees head rotation. This variant has a price tag of $590. But if you're willing to spend $2,000, the red one has much more in store. It offers a drying temperature of 176 degrees Fahrenheit or 80 degrees Celsius. This one has also an extended arm to ensure easy lamp adjustment in any direction. Which one will you be choosing? Do you need a clever tubing cutter? How about one with a clever ratchet system? Millennium Multi-Bead Applicator. Next up, we have a tool for the installation world, a remarkably advanced applicator. The applicator has a capacity of 13 individual 0.4 gallon or 1.5 liter cartridges, and the easy adhesive mechanism is powered by a 7 or 12 amp hour battery. This means you can also say goodbye to wires that make your life difficult. The invention is patented, and the designers say that you will start to see impeccable cost savings on projects of 50,000 square feet or 4,600 square meters. There are models available that can do spraying and dripping application of adhesives. King Tony Ratchet Tubing Cutter. Wouldn't a single tubing cutter that is able to handle all the materials from steel and iron to reinforced plastic be incredible? The King Tony Ratchet Tubing Cutter is the answer you have been looking for, and it works with a clever ratcheting mechanism that ensures compact versatility. This gadget is suited for piping diameters of 1.1 to 2.6 inches, or 28 to 67 millimeters, and it's ideal for any task. The pipe cutting industry is growing at a whopping 4.5% per year, and the time to buy is now. This amazing cutter can be yours for only $132. Jorgensen Clamping Miter Saw. Our final entry is one that deserves a ton of praise for its simplistic, ingenious design and affordable price. The miter saw is suited for both wood and PVC, and for every 0.99 inches or 2.5 millimeters. The saw has 14 teeth. The teeth of this saw are outstanding since they offer induction hardening and double sharpening of what you're sawing. It's also fitted with a unique non-slip handle and specialized clamping inserts for the most comfortable work experience that will be safer than ever at the same time. The cutting angle can be adjusted up to 90 degrees, and since it's only $40, this investment is one of the best by far. Debarker Pro. Anyone in the logging industry will go nuts for our first gadget on the list, the Debarker Pro, and it's truly a revolutionary invention. The logging industry is valued at $978 billion worldwide and is only growing, so this next tool will definitely be a great use. This attachment can be secured onto any chainsaw to turn it into an instant debarker, effortlessly removing all the bark from your logs and making notches where needed. This single tool will save loggers time and money, and will make the process of processing wood much easier than ever before. The biggest bonus, it only costs $150. This is a cool invention, but what would you say about a modern tool that can measure as you work? Stay tuned for this and more. Real Avid Carbon Boss AR-15. First up, something for your gun. The Real Avid Carbon Boss AR-15 has been made to help you when it's time to clean your AR-15, and inside its sleek casing, you'll find everything you need for a thorough cleaning session. This compact multi-tool is packed with over 10 essential tools, and owning one is like having a mini workshop at your fingertips. Despite its comprehensive functionality, the Carbon Boss AR-15 weighs just 0.3 pounds or 0.14 kilograms, so you'll forget you're even carrying it. Some of the tools are small and large firing pin scrapers, an extractor scraper, various brushes, and a pin punch. As an extra benefit, each tool is clearly labeled, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned gun enthusiasts alike. There is also a convenient nylon pouch included in the kit to ensure easy storage and transport of your cleaning arsenal, all for just $35. We'll tackle roof safety with some amazing inventions soon. Dixter 5012. At first, the price tag of the next product might deter you a bit, but it might just be one of the best investments you'll ever make. The Dixter 5012 boasts not only exceptional ergonomics, but also superior corner processing capabilities for easy work. You have the option to connect to a vacuum cleaner with the universal attachment as well. It weighs just 22 pounds or 10 kilograms, and it has a 7-inch or 18-centimeter disc diameter. On top of this, rubberized handles and rotating wheels make it the perfect tool. What's unique about this machine is its versatile case, which can be purchased separately and easily combined with existing grinding and polishing tools. The base, which has been modeled out of ultra-durable, powder-coated steel, and the aluminum disc that helps deliver incredibly precise results, all come together. Do you struggle to keep workpieces in place while grinding, cutting, or painting? The solution is coming up soon. Recon M1 Caliber. Construction work is serious business, and that's why this Boston-based tools company decided it was time to find a better way to measure materials directly while sawing. All you need to do is simply clamp it to your saw, or a flat surface, near your tool and slide the edge of the workpiece under the special roller. The rotation of this roller accurately displays the exact length, ensuring precise cuts every time. And whether you're making straight cuts or beveled edges, you have full control over your project's dimensions. The Recon M1 Caliber also has the ability to switch between different different units, and because it's powered by 2 AA batteries, it can last for up to 15 hours straight. With prices starting at just $150, it offers affordability without compromising on quality, ensuring you never have to struggle with pencil measurements again. Another thing you never have to struggle with again is angle grinding, so keep your eyes peeled. Hitch clip roof anchor. Peace of mind has never been easier to achieve than with this new roof anchor from the Hitch Clip Group. Crafted from sturdy aluminum, this system offers a perfect balance of toughness, power, durability, and lightweight construction. Workers can rest assured that their safety is well taken care of because it offers incredibly robust protection with its high load capacity and tensile strength. It can support a whopping 130 to 420 or 49 to 190 kilograms, and it has a built-in tensile strength of pounds or 2,267 kilograms. It's got a completely waterproof design, is super easy to use and install. Its unique keyhole structure allows for secure gripping, and you can use it as the centerpiece of your own mini construction site for only $422. Kreg multi-purpose project blocks. These days, $20 won't really get you much, unless you use that $20 to buy a product like this set of Kreg multi-purpose project blocks, crafted with the desire to be as versatile and useful as possible. These project blocks have an integrated grip system on one side and a Grip Max anti-slip surface on the other, meaning they will never ever slip during use and will always remain stable. These blocks simplify tasks such as painting, drilling, grinding, and other activities that include the lifting of heavy work pieces. Each set comprises of 4 blocks with a combined lifting capacity of 200 pounds or 90 kilograms, and they elevate work pieces by 1.5 inches or 3.8 centimeters. For painting tasks, retractable cone-shaped inserts are included for easy placement. Hip lock. Roofing is a seriously dangerous industry, and in the US alone, 50 workers suffer fatal injuries from roof work every year. But now, veteran professionals who have spent decades working in extremely precarious situations are praising HipLock as the most advanced safety system they have ever used. With a robust weight capacity of up to 300 pounds or 136 kilograms, you can trust HipLock to keep you secure. And thanks to the clever addition of wheels, it goes with you wherever you need to go. Setting it up, packing it away, or transporting it is incredibly easy, and when it's securely attached to the ridge, it covers your entire workspace, keeping you safe from every angle. The HipLock systems with added poles range from $539 to $839. Attaching securely to the roof is a bonus, but we'll also look at tools that allow you to attach different clamps in a second. Woodpecker's Auto Angle Drill Guide. We're still struggling to decide whether this next gadget is really worth its $500 price tag. But if you have a little extra cash and you're looking for something new to play with, why not give this Auto Angle Drill Guide a try and see if it lives up to the hype? The manufacturer promises this tool will take all the fuss out of drilling precise holes at an angle. And with its user-friendly design, this guide system allows you to swiftly and easily set the desired drilling angle without the need for complex electronic features. Its 2 large handles, clamps, and specialized attachments ensure comfortable and efficient operation on both flat and curved surfaces. And the compact design makes it easy to store away when not in use. This sounds like a good deal to us. Wolfcraft Adapter Connector Pro Easy. Have you ever found yourself struggling with a project that's just too big for your clamps? Well, for only $42, you can buy yourself the Wolfcraft Adapter Connector. It's an innovative adapter that will save you the expense of buying bigger clamps, allowing you to simply connect your existing ones. It's been specifically made to work with the Wolfcraft EasyH Pro and Easy Series, and with it, you can effortlessly join the ends of your clamps. This transforms them into a single, continuous clamp that extends up to 6.5 feet or 2 meters in length. This new age tool offers unparalleled unparalleled convenience and versatility for assembling large components or gluing furniture. And to boot, unlocking the clamp is as simple as pressing a button, so work will be easier than ever. Do you need a sanding tool that can get into those hard-to-reach spots? This is up next. Capro 257 Ad. The makers of this flex sander are so sure that their products are the best in the market that they are willing to guarantee that once you experience using it, you won't want to use anything else. They have made it very affordable too, and for around $17, you get a piece of technology designed by some of the smartest minds in the industry. It is made in China and Israel and is sure to become your go-to tool for tackling those tricky corners and narrow spaces with ease. It has been cleverly designed to provide a smooth finish every time, whether used on flat or curved surfaces. It comes with a detachable handle, a 6-inch or 15.24 centimeter base diameter, and Velcro fixed sandpaper, so you can work comfortably and securely. Eclipse Magnetic Switchable Quick Holding Clamp. And now, just so all the welders out there don't feel left out, here's a tool that promises to add a little bit of convenience to their workdays too. This holding clamp is currently available in 2 different sizes. The first is a 1.5 pound or 0.7 kilogram version that offers 88 pounds or 39.92 kilograms of force, and the second is a larger variant, weighing nearly 3 pounds or 1.36 kilograms. This one provides a formidable 165 pounds or 74.84 kilograms of force. Both of them will help you to swiftly weld details at precise angles of 45 or 90 degrees, thanks to the integrated neodymium magnets in these advanced clamps. You don't need to buy any extra external fasteners, and it's perfect for round and square tubes. The price for this insane tool starts at $195. Coming up, we have a life-changing rebar tool, so don't miss out. Hikaki Multivolt 36V. Imagine a world where cutting and bending rebar is no longer a hassle, and where you don't even need a power extension to be able to do this task. Allow us to introduce the first battery-powered rebar cutter and bender, specifically designed to tackle the challenges of working with rebar. This tool will give you the same performance as its corded counterparts. Plus, it comes with 2 batteries, a charger, and a durable case, so running out of juice while on the job won't be a problem. You'll be able to perform approximately 140 bending or 130 cutting operations on 0.6-inch or 1.52 centimeter diameter rebar, and it's ideal for bars ranging from 0.3 to 0.6 inches or 0.76 to 1.52 centimeters. Adjusting bending angles is super simple because of the convenient dial design too, with the ability to bend and cut 2 or 3 rods at once. It really is a game changer for efficiency on the job site, and all for $172. Mk2 LTR V44 2-Jaw Lazy Tong Hand Riveter. Unlike traditional riveters, this version from Mk2 is a little bit more advanced and has been made with the distinct goal of powering through long hours of use without failing the user even once. It has a wonderfully lightweight, compact shape and design, weighs just 6 pounds and is a mere 33.5 inches or 85.09 centimeters long. And when not in use, it conveniently folds up to save space. This handheld riveter also has 3 interchangeable tips that can be easily swapped out using the included wrench, and strikes the perfect balance between portability and functionality. It's perfect for steel and aluminum rivets, and it's a steal for only $113. Stay tuned for a compact and convenient soldering device that is making waves. Caster AS-M30. The Caster AS-M30 is one of the best modern tools from Norwegian specialists that makes stapling cables and wires in place a complete breeze. This tool is able to perform high-quality fixing at a lightning rate, and the magazine can store a whopping 30 staples that are of different sizes. Whether for professional or home use, the Caster AS-M30 will stand out as the best helper, and it's made for cables and wires of either 0.12 or 0.06 square inches, 3 by 1.5 square millimeters, or 0.08 by 0.16 square inches, or 2 by 4 square millimeters. It provides optimal efficiency with a hammer, and all this versatility comes at a price of $860. ROTHENBERGER Soft Soldering Device. When you're soldering, there are times when you need to be able to work with the utmost precision, and this can be difficult when you're working with a standard soldering iron. But now, because of this ROTHENBERGER Soft Soldering Device, these problems will be a thing of the past. For the affordable price of around $330, you will get a tool with some of the most innovative and useful features in its class. Its lightweight and compact design, at just 0.2 pounds, it makes it easy for use in those tricky solo operations, like fixing a leaky pipe. With the improved combustion chamber design, it can be used in any position, even in windy conditions. It is suitable for sheet metal work and is incredibly economical with its 2 multi-gas 110 cylinders, so you'll never regret this purchase. How about an automatic tape dispenser for your drywall work? El Alto Parfait Roll Cut. If you ever find yourself having to install or work on drywall of any kind, especially if it's your 9 to 5, you should most definitely get yourself a tool like this one. With features like automatic tape moisturizing and a built-in cutting system, it ensures seamless application without overlaps, and this tool provides the most precise tape placement on drywall joints. Its versatility allows for work on walls and ceilings up to 10 feet or 3 meters high. And to make the deal even sweeter, it's equipped with a special roller for corner work and rubberized handles for a secure grip. Because of its incredibly light fuel consumption, one tank will get you through more than 490 feet or 149 meters of taping, and its price tag is a reasonable $750. Romax Compact TT. This product does not have the word compact in its name for nothing. At about the same weight as your average bowling ball, this tool contains an astounding number of advantages, and it can be used to crimp virtually any kind of fitting. Its maneuverability is not its only strength though, as the cold-resistant battery pack that powers it means that you can use it in virtually any kind of weather, even in temperatures as low as 14 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 10 degrees Celsius. Plus, with a built-in crimping force of 19 kilonewtons, it ensures secure fittings every time, and it can handle metal fittings ranging from 0.5 to 1.4 inches, or 1.3 to 3.6 centimeters in diameter, as well as plastic fittings from 0.5 to 1.6 inches, or 1.3 to 4.6 centimeters in diameter. All this convenience and power is available at a price of about $2,500, but we all know that you get what you pay for. Our next tool is an all-around landscaping marvel you'll definitely want to see. Billy Goat Landscape Auger. Next up, we have the Billy Goat Landscape Auger, an amazingly versatile system designed to help you with a wide variety of outdoor projects, including fence and deck building, sign installation, and more. Weighing in at 600 pounds or 272 kilograms, this model is surprisingly maneuverable, thanks to the addition of wheels of different sizes, 11 and 18 inches or 28 and 46 centimeters. Plus, its design has been optimized to fit in the back of a pickup truck, eliminating the need to remove the drill when transporting it. Equipped with a powerful 13 horsepower or 9.7 kilowatt engine, this auger boasts top-notch performance in its class. Its standout features include innovative Z-Link technology, ensuring minimal machine movement during drilling. Overall, the Billy Goat Landscape Auger offers fatigue-free drilling and incredibly easy hole-to-hole transport, and it is set to become the go-to choice at only $9,650. T1 Tomahawk Digital Tape Measure. The T1 Tomahawk Digital Tape Measure steps in as a high-precision, multifunctional device built to be a powerful tool for professionals. It is equipped with multiple displays and the ability to switch between different units of measurement. What's really great though is that it allows you to save previous measurements and then display up to 5 of these values simultaneously on the lower screen. But it gets even better. With Bluetooth connectivity to a mobile app, users can seamlessly transfer data for further calculations, and with self-calibration, laser alignment, and an intuitive indication system, precision is guaranteed every time. And let's not forget about the practical details. The T1 Tomahawk comes complete with a holder for pencils and pens, ensuring you have everything you need at your fingertips, all for only $260. Have you ever imagined a tool that can scan walls and tell you what's inside? Well, this is entirely real, so don't go anywhere. Quick Dry. The Carpenters Club is about to get a whole lot cooler thanks to the next gadget on our list, the Quick Drive. It's powered by a 2000 RPM DeWalt brushless motor, so it packs some serious torque, but you can easily control the amount of power you need to get the job done with a variable speed adjuster. The fasteners lock and feed automatically, just like cartridges in a gun. Also, with this sci-fi-like tool, there will be no more crawling on your knees thanks to the G3 extension cord. And with 2 batteries and a battery charger included, you'll never have to pause your work to wait for a charge again. Designed for rapid-fire work, the Quick Drive looks the part too. It's your ultimate tool for effortless subfloor and lathe installation. It's so simple to use that even if you're new to the game, you'll be keeping up with the pros in no time. The price starts at $384. Bosch Wall Scanner Detect 200C. Thanks to German technology, the Bosch Wall Scanner Detect 200C eliminates the need for guesswork when it comes to finding pipes, wires, and other structures in walls. The tool will immediately be able to tell you where the internal structures are located with immediate clarity, and it can even tell you if there is water currently running through your pipes or current running through your wires. The innovative tool can sense leaks up to 7.9 inches or 20 centimeters deep, rivaling every other on the market. Whether you want to use AA batteries or rechargeables is up to you, and it can save the checks to a screenshot that you can upload to an SD card or through USB connection. It weighs a very compact 1.5 pounds or 0.7 kilograms, and at a price of $681, it's a sure investment. To complete the job, you'll need a pipe straightening tool that'll impress, and this is up next. Industro Tubing Straightener. Here we have another must-have tool, and this time it's from the Industro Company of tool manufacturers, and it's perfect for plumbers, auto mechanics, and air conditioner installers alike. With this new pipe strainer, you can handle all 3 popular pipe sizes at the same time, and it's much easier to use than a stationary system. It's just you and the machine, no extra help required. It promises to take all the stress and frustration out of straightening aluminum and copper pipes, up to 0.4 inches or 1 centimeter in diameter, and it's very compact at only 1.7 pounds or 0.8 kilograms. Did we mention it's patented? So you won't find another tool quite like it. Plus, it's not just for straightening simple pipes. It can handle spiral or strongly curved pipes too, giving you ultimate flexibility on the job. MoAssure 1. The MoAssure 1 is everything but your standard tape measure. For one, it uses the same tech as in missile guidance systems for unrivaled accuracy. It's designed to measure areas over 1,000 feet or 330 meters with pinpoint precision. It can calculate angles, lengths, heights, and even areas of all sorts of objects, from rectangles to cubes. This tool is also a multitasking marvel and comes with 24 different built-in modes to handle all your measurement needs. It's even been linked to a handy smartphone app that lets you quickly convert data to your desired units, and it even draws as it measures, taking the guesswork out of your projects. Lastly, it's also tough as nails. Not only can it survive a fall of 6 feet or 1.8 meters, but also has a convenient dust and moisture-proof construction and a battery that lasts around 500 operations, so you know it will keep up with you. It has a price tag of $499. Triac AT. The Swiss have done it again with yet another remarkable tool for the construction industry. This tool is especially valuable for the professionals who find themselves handling copper, chrome, and zinc often. Meet the first soldering kit that's totally gas-free and flameless. It's called the Triac AT, and it's not just easier to use, it's better for the environment too. It weighs just 2.2 pounds or 1 kilogram and fits easily into your toolkit in hand. The Triac AT gives you total control of your soldering game with its adjustable temperature settings and digital display. It can even withstand temperatures of between 104 to 1,148 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 to 620 degrees Celsius. Right now, this innovative soldering kit will set you back around $1,250, but it's well worth it if you work with metal and want to keep your hands safe and your tools clean. All your hard work is for nothing when the cables or tools are at risk, so stay tuned to see the best solution for cable protection. Primegrip. Let's take a trip to Israel, where 80% of fruits and vegetables are grown using hydroponics, and a tool that will revolutionize this industry forever. The Primegrip is a game changer for professionals in drip irrigation and hydroponics. This specialized tool is designed for lightning-fast installation of drippers, clocking in at approximately 10 drippers per minute. It's compatible with plastic tubing ranging from 0.63 to 0.8 inches, or 16 to 20 millimeters in diameter, and can be paired with any make or model of dripper. What sets the Primegrip apart is its ease of use. It's designed to be wielded with just one hand, and it doesn't require advanced dexterity to operate. According to the manufacturer, it's the fastest and most accurate way to install drip irrigation systems, and while its price tag of $169 may seem steep, it's sure to pay for itself in no time. Pliozip Helawrap. Land and sea cables are some of the most important parts of modern infrastructure, and as they stretch across the world, they're subject to a variety of threats. One of the biggest threats to these cables is us. Research shows that nearly 3/4 of the damage inflicted on them is caused by human error. Luckily, there is a very simple way to prevent this damage: cable sleeves. And if you got options too, there's the Pliozip, covering diameters from 8 to 32 millimeters or 0.3 to 1.3 inches, or the Helawrap, which handles 9 to 42 millimeters or 0.4 to 1.6 inches. Don't worry about installation, both options come with a special tool that even beginners can handle like a pro. The installation tool won't break the bank at just $5.50, and the sleeve itself is a steal at $9 per 3.3 feet or 1 meter. But these sleeves aren't just for protection. They also make it a breeze to adjust cable lengths without needing any extra tools. If your cable's too long, no problem. Just zip it off in the right spot. Hyde Heavy Duty Molding Puller. The now world-famous Hyde manufacturing company has become a household name, and with their new heavy-duty molding puller, you are yet again guaranteed to transform the task at hand. For only $26, you can get a patented tool with some seriously impressive benefits. For the average DIY home improvement enthusiast, its smart design simplifies the removal of baseboards, carpets, and tiles, and the unique non-slip handle and built-in nail puller design gives you full control. What's really great is that it also promises to help minimize mistakes and deformation of surrounding materials like drywall. According to the company, it's made to spread out the applied force over a greater surface area, allowing you to safely remove even the most stubborn materials. There are now innovative ways to carry around tiles. Do you want to see how? Monolith Flash Line 3. Here we have another deceptively basic-looking Italian-made gadget that will probably transform the way you work and take almost all the hassle out of tile cutting. With its patented technology, this mechanical tile cutter is designed to be used in solo projects and can effortlessly handle porcelain slabs up to 0.4 inches or 10 millimeters thick. It does not need you to add any extra suction cups or extra accessories to make it work at its best. It's super portable and convenient at only 18 pounds or 8 kilograms, and it's easily disassembled and packed into a compact bag for transport. The Monolith Flash Line 3 even features an anti-slip system for added stability during use, is entirely autonomous, requiring no batteries. When fully assembled, extends to a length of 12 feet or 3.6 meters. This mechanical tile cutter will currently set you back $1,050, but it is sure to be worth every penny. By Hawaii 8-inch Pump Suction Cup. Transporting ultra-delicate porcelain slabs is no longer the nerve-wracking and risky task it once was. These pump suction cups are the ideal choice for anyone working with delicate surfaces that need to be held in place, and at the moment you can choose from 2 options. Option 1 has a retractable handle with a built-in pressure gauge for precise control and perfect for heavy-duty lifting tasks. It can be used on smooth and lightly textured surfaces and has a capacity of 265 pounds or 120 kilograms. Option 2 has a much simpler pump action system with a quick release lever and offers a lifting capacity of 242 pounds or 110 kilograms. It has an anti-slip plastic handle for comfortable use and a red indicator on the handle. The more powerful version boasts a durable steel handle, while the less powerful version features a sturdy plastic handle, and the suction cups have a diameter of approximately 7.8 inches or 20 centimeters. Investing $145 in the advanced version may be worth it. Halo Blaze Osprey. The Halo Blaze Osprey is a truly groundbreaking innovation in heat shrink tubing processing technology. It consists of a base and a heat gun, and with its outstanding 360-degree shrinking capabilities and increased safety features, it delivers consistent high-quality results and effectively eliminates the need to rotate treated elements, thereby streamlining the entire process like never before. With a total weight of just 8.8 pounds or 4 kilograms, the device is both portable and easy to use, offering unparalleled convenience for users on the go. But the only deterrent at the moment being the price tag. The base alone costs around $1,194, but it's a worthwhile investment for professionals seeking top-tier results in heat shrink tubing processing. Say goodbye to blue fingers with a new age nail tool coming up next. Mk2 Magnet Driver Nail Holder. With this next project, we can finally bid farewell to the days of slamming our fingers to the point of injury every time we want to install a nail. This ingenious nail holder is so good that it won the prestigious Best Invention of 2015, and it's compatible with screwdrivers, screw guns, drills, and even some self-tapping screws, making it your go-to tool. Nails are securely held in place by a powerful neodymium magnet while you work, and the standard kit will give you a screwdriver handle, a nail holder, and a curved extension, providing everything needed for the easiest job you've ever done. Despite its impressive features, the price remains refreshingly low at just $15, making it an affordable yet indispensable addition to your toolkit. Rail pulling. It is essential for railway maintenance workers to have the right tools to do their job as quickly as possible. This is where hydraulic rail jacks shine and can literally change the game, despite only weighing around the same size as a standard-sized bicycle, approximately 8 pounds or 18 kilograms. These hydraulic jacks have the capacity to lift up to 13,000 pounds, or 6.5 tons, and depending on the model, can raise rails a whopping 3.2 inches or 80 millimeters. These jacks are also designed for convenience, have a neat detachable hand lever, and a quick lowering mechanism. Besides these specialized lifters, rail pulling shoes also play a crucial role in rail maintenance. These shoes, although weighing around 84 pounds or 38 kilograms, are essential for moving rails without risking deformation, and are compatible with rails commonly found in large-scale production plants. Mk2. The Mk2 is a state-of-the-art, highly efficient wall chaser from Spain that is forever altering the way workers complete their groove and channel-making tasks, enabling a single person to get through some 2,625 feet or 800 meters of hollow brickwork in a single day. Despite its hefty 18-pound or 8-kilogram weight, it's said to be extremely comfortable to use, even on very large projects. It has the ability to work with materials like perforated concrete, hollow clay bricks, cement, and plaster, with the capability to cut up to 2 inches or 50 millimeters deep and wide. Mk2 ensures efficient and precise results, and will get the job done faster than any other machine on the market right now. When it comes to upkeep, Mk2 keeps things simple. Just 2 operations are required: cleaning with compressed air at least twice a week, and a general inspection every 100 hours of use. With a starting price of around $1,000 for the basic model, Mk2 offers excellent value for the money. AdventureMate V2. For the lovers of the Swiss Army knife, a new invention has come to light. The creators have managed to incorporate the features of a saw, shovel, hammer, and hook, all neatly packaged with a carbon fiber reinforced nylon handle, weighing in at 4.8 pounds or 2.2 kilograms, and boasting a 6.5 inch or 16.5 centimeter long saw blade. AdventureMate is one of the most versatile companions for outdoor enthusiasts, available right now. It's ready to tackle any task and can be yours for only $260. This is also the manufacturer's second try at this revolutionary design, and this version of the axe boasts significant improvements over its predecessor, such as a patented 2-stage locking mechanism, a reinforced saw blade, a sharpened shovel, and a durable Cerakote coating. Speaking of coating, do you want to know how to remove paint and other coatings easily? Wolfcraft Marking and Alignment Template. For the fastest, most effortless installation of switches and sockets in drywall that you will probably ever experience, use the new Wolfcraft template tool. Thanks to its durable plastic build, this handy and trustworthy tool for tidy switch and socket installations will stick with you through plenty of projects. And it boasts a removable steel stand and magnets on the back, which will secure it firmly in place during use. It's also equipped with an integrated spirit level, so absolute precision is guaranteed and comes complete with easy-to-follow step-by-step illustrated instructions. The universal design offers many different ways to handle the unique socket insert designs found in different countries, and it has a working length of either 2.8 or 3.6 inches or 71 and 91 millimeters. Despite its multitude of features, the price remains surprisingly affordable at just $16. Speed Heater Cobra. Paint removal was once a tedious and laborious chore, and that's all changed with the newest paint removal tool from the Cobra company. By utilizing cutting-edge infrared technology, this tool can soften even the thickest layers of paint in less than 5 seconds without the need for chemicals. The company behind this incredible gadget boasts the fastest speed on the market, but their product is definitely not limited to paint removal and is now also suitable for stripping window caulk, varnish, and glue. The Speed Heater Cobra is perfect for comfortable one-handed operation. Plus, with innovative technical solutions, it consumes approximately 75% less energy than its competitors, making it an eco-friendly choice for your projects. To top it off, a range of complementary accessories such as scrapers are available, and it weighs about the same as one standard loaf of bread, a mere 1.3 pounds or 0.6 kilograms. The price is a reasonable $399. Drill Buddy. Enter the Drill Buddy, a tool with a built-in special intelligence system that has been created specifically to make your life easier. This little guy is battery-powered and made mostly of durable plastic and can be almost effortlessly attached to any flat surface. It has a built-in laser level and a dust collector, and it works with chucks up to 0.5 inches or 1 centimeter in diameter. It will help you take more accurate measurements than you ever have before because of the clever combination of a laser and bubble level. And your workspace will be clean and tidy because all the dust will be effectively collected. The Drill Buddy comes in at a price of $1,650. To complete your toolbox, you'll need a winch, and we have the best one coming up soon. Bessie Cabinet Face Frame Clamps. According to the manufacturer of this innovative clamp, it has the potential to streamline your workflow like never before. The Bessie Cabinet Face Frame Clamp is crafted from ultra-durable aluminum steel and weighs a convenient 1.6 pounds or 0.7 kilograms. It does pack a powerful clamping force of up to 2,000 newtons, and if you're worried about damaging your work surface, it comes with helpful self-adhesive felt strips that provide an extra layer of protection, with clamping widths ranging from 3.2 to 4.7 inches, or 8 to 12 centimeters, and a depth of 0.4 inches, or 1 centimeter. It's versatile enough to tackle a variety of projects. The compact clip also features a special alignment plate, ensuring precise joints every time, and the convenient pilot hole drill guide makes pre-drilling screw holes a breeze. The price is only $45. ArborTech. Craftsmen have never been more spoiled for choice when it comes to power tools, all thanks to ArborTech. This Australian company offers a wide range of high-quality power tools and accessories that are perfect for any woodworker, whether they are professional or just starting out. Powered by a special 960-watt motor, this chisel reaches speeds of up to 11,000 RPM while maintaining low vibration and noise levels. It operates at a high frequency, providing precise and controlled carving with movements as fine as 0.04 inches or 1 millimeter. It comes standard with an 8.5 foot or 2.6 meter cord and 7 interchangeable heads that can be swapped with the click of a button. To make things even more universally convenient, it is 100% compatible with both EU and US power grids. For only $315, you can transform mundane pieces of wood into intricate works of art. More power puller. Not many tools can lay claim to the same rich history as this legendary homesteading helper. The More Power Puller was first patented more than half a century ago. The company that manufactures this portable winch has an impressive track record of reliability and confidently guarantees that it can help you solve many problems, including toppling colossal, multi-ton trees. It not only can pull down a tree, but has truly been expertly crafted with precision and durability in mind, and based on the model, can lift anywhere up to 6,600 pounds or 3 tons. Whether you're working with steel or synthetic cables, it can handle lengths of up to 20 to 35 feet or 6 to 11 meters with ease. And you can rest assured that when you invest in a More Power Puller, you're not just getting a winch, you're getting a piece of history that's been built to withstand the test of time at only $424. Lastly, stay tuned for the best modern sander that protects you and your projects. Goldblatt's dust-free hand sander. Luckily for sanders everywhere, the Goldblatt company has found a unique way to cut down on the dust once and for all with their new portable dust-free hand sander. This wonder tool isn't picky. It's perfect for both drywall and woodworking projects, and it can be assembled in less than 5 minutes. It comes with a special hose attachment that promises to reduce the amount of sneeze-inducing dust by up to a whopping 90%. It's compatible with most household vacuum cleaners. Comes with a nearly 6-foot or 1.8 meter hose, as well as special adapters, and the handle has been crafted for maximum comfort, so you can sand away without any hand strain. This little device packs quite a punch though, and some have claimed that it can be a little too potent for most average jobs. The price is very attractive at only $41. DeWalt D-Wash RIR 18-gauge shear attachment. DeWalt is one of the most popular tool brands, so it's only fair that we start our countdown with one of their best. The D-Wash RIR 18-gauge shear attachment is one of the most innovative yet, and its versatility knows no bounds. The model is suitable for everything from sheet metal to steel mesh, cardboard, plastic, rubber, and wire, so there's nothing you won't be able to cut. The gadget boasts a universal design that fits most impact screwdrivers. When you need to work in tight and narrow corners, the head attachment can rotate an impressive 360 degrees for the ultimate maneuverability. All this for only $50 definitely sounds like a steal. Will you be investing in this game-changing gadget? Before you do, make sure you check out our remarkable solution for foundation laying. Makita DML 814. When you're working on that super important and delicate job, the last thing you need to worry about is the light you're working under. And the Japanese company Makita knows this all too well. So they have come up with an amazing new battery-operated lighting system that you can take anywhere. It has special and sturdy legs for uneven outdoor terrains, a smart system that keeps the last brightness setting so you don't have to fidget with it again and again. It can safely power down, weighs less than 18 pounds or 8 kilograms, and based on the brightness levels chosen, can give you between 3 and 10 hours of uninterrupted use. Lastly, you can effortlessly change its height, around from 4.1 to 7.2 feet or 1.2 to 2.2 meters, to customize where the brilliantly clear beams of light coming from your new favorite tool shine. This revolutionary light costs a total of $454. How about a work light that doubles as a power extension? Stay tuned to see this. Crocoligent. Sometimes the simplest gadgets are the most useful, and this next invention from a Dutch company proves this motto. The entire idea was to simplify construction work, and the result is a remarkable marking cord tool that takes the guesswork out of the job. You can fix the cord on steel, wood, plastic, and rebar rods, and thanks to the special fixing pin to keep the wire in place, you won't ever have to worry about repositioning or the wire moving between the teeth while you're working. The manufacturers state that for every 164 feet or 49 meters of cord that's placed, you'll save about 10 minutes on the project. The nifty device is super compact at only 6 inches or 15.24 centimeters, so it'll go with you everywhere without hassle. The price tag is only $10, so there's no reason to not make this investment today. When this part of the building is sorted, you don't want to still struggle with cables, so be sure to keep watching for the ultimate roller tool. Concealed Hinge Jig. In the world of hinges, there is only one tool you need, and it's the Concealed Hinge Jig. This inventive solution is accurate and fast, the perfect combination you need on the job site. The tool is compatible with concealed hinges of 1.4 inches or 3.5 centimeter in size, and its built-in drilling depth limiter ensures the best possible results. The tool works without the worry of misalignment, and it can even be used for chipboard. The offset sizes range from 0.12 to 0.24 inches or 0.3 to 0.6 centimeters, and since it's made from high-quality impact-resistant polyamide, it offers unmatched reliability. There are two different versions, one that comes with a 1.4 inch or a 3.5 centimeter drill bit, and one that comes without, and the prices of these are $42 and $30. And there's no doubt that this tool is one of the most useful on the job site. Before placing your hinges, you need to know what's inside your walls and where, so don't miss out on the Bosch solution for this coming up. Geberit Pipe Scraper. The piping industry is expected to reach a whopping total value of $209 billion by 2032, and the Geberit Pipe Scraper will be at the forefront of this growth. This gadget can be used as a screw gun attachment, and it makes the job a whole lot easier than working manually. The tool was designed to simplify preparation of pipes for electrofusion. It makes the joint more secure by removing the oxide film. There are currently 5 different sizes that can be purchased, but when you're working with this revolutionary tool, you will also be able to invest in replacement component kits and helpful storage cases. This singular tool will truly transform your experience working with piping, and it comes in at a price of $310. Bosch Universal Detect. Bosch is a 135-year-old company who has risen to the top of the construction world, boasting $99 billion in sales last year. A lot of this was thanks to the nifty Universal Detect, the most innovative wall detector yet. It can detect metal objects in your wall up to 3.9 inches or 10 centimeters deep. But it also has the capability of notifying you of live wires up to 1.9 inches or 5 centimeters deep. As an added bonus, it can be used on drywall to scan for reinforcing structures as deep as 0.8 inches or 2.5 centimeters. The tool is truly perfect for everyone since the menu interface can be selected in a number of languages. For optimal convenience, both light and sound indicators are included. The striking tool comes in at an impressive $80. But now we can look at some bigger scale tools that can be used in life-threatening situations. Can you guess the manufacturer? Hamatro Combi Tools. Industrial tools are often needed for rescue equipment, and Hamatro has ensured that their innovative combi tools are great for both applications. Today we'll take a look at their versatile tools for cutting, squeezing, and spreading structures like cars. These tools will be able to create openings in just about anything, and you can consider this a valuable Jaws of Life upgrade. Combi tools are designed for effortless use wherever you are, and this is why they are valuable in cordless versions. When the seconds count, this is the range of tools you want on your side, and with a theoretical spreading force of 47,400 pounds or 21.5 tons, and a cutting force of 59,500 pounds or 27 tons. Nothing will be a challenge for the 511 Evo 3 model. What do you think about this seriously hardcore tool range? Onyx 1.0S. Building a concrete structure is only one part of the job, and after all the hard work is said and done, all that's left is to test the strength of the concrete, considering that concrete can continue to gain strength for as long as 28 days after it's set. The handy tester known as Onyx 1.0S will be completely invaluable. Builders and inspectors will be super impressed with this gadget to easily determine the class of any concrete, and to make this task even more convenient, the device can store as many as 800 test reports. This data can be transferred to a computer without any trouble, and it's the only thing you'll need to test coating, adhesion strength, concrete strength, and brick bond strength. Anyone who spends the $1,500 on this tool will definitely transform their working day. We guarantee that our remote cutter for all sorts of wires will impress you, so keep your eyes peeled. Goebel Go 12N. The world doesn't seem to be able to move away from rivets. These tiny fasteners are everywhere, from clothes to cars, bridges to toys, and their beauty lies in their very nature. They're strong, simple, reliable, and cheap, and that's why they've become the most common way to connecting things together. But the tools we need to use these little metal marvels are not all the same, and this German company has made the best version. A rivet ratchet, tool especially for working with rivet nuts. From M6 to M12 in steel and aluminum, its $200 price tag may seem a bit high at first, but it has several standout features that might convince you to give it a go. It weighs only 2.4 pounds or 1.1 kilograms and offers complete compatibility, even with the M12. It also provides clear visual control for precise work, and it will help you get the job done in record time by rapidly fitting and removing rivet nuts. It could be used in even the smallest of spaces, so no job will be a challenge. Klauke ES20 RMC Remote Cutter. Those who know how to work with cables are not only very handy to have around, but they are also indispensable in our modern world. That's why they need to be given the absolute best tools, and why Klauke has stepped in to fill this need. They offer this incredibly useful battery-powered hydraulic cutting tool that can be used with one hand and can be remotely controlled and can cut through nearly any kind of cable, whether it be copper, aluminum, or otherwise, like a sharp knife through soft cheese. It is designed to handle cables up to 0.8 inches or 20 millimeters in diameter, promises precise cuts in just less than 10 seconds, and is incredibly compact at only 4.4 pounds or 2 kilograms, including the battery. For its current price of $1,702, you have the flexibility to choose between Makita or Bosch batteries, with the latter charging in just 15 minutes. And it is perfectly complemented by the iPress app, which collects operational data and then generates a detailed and shareable PDF report. Cutting cables is now sorted, but you'll need something to cut holes for the light sockets and switches as well. And we have just the thing coming up. Wolfcraft Adjustable Electric Hole Saw. Now for a tool that will make everyone a lot happier and more productive. Meet the Wolfcraft Adjustable Electric Hole Saw. A small yet powerful device that weighs as much as a deck of playing cards, but delivers the power of a large wood saw at only 6.3 ounces or 180 grams. This tool is lightweight and compact, but can handle tasks such as installing light fixtures, sockets, and switches. What's even better is that it can also be used with both a drill and a screwdriver, saving valuable space while remaining incredibly useful. For $49, it comes with 2 hex keys and offers adjustments for diameters at 1.4, 2.5, 2.7, 2.9, 3, and 3.3 inches, or 35, 65, 68, 74, 76, and 83 millimeters. So whether you're working with oriented strand boards, drywall, or soft wood, you can expect precise and neat cuts every single time. Hyde Tools Folding Painter's Tools. Hyde's many labor-loving gadgets and accessories are truly a staple in the construction industry. The company delivers millions of tools to just as many customers across the planet each year, and this next paint multi-tool is crafted with insights from seasoned professionals in the painting industry. Whether it's opening cans or boxes, cleaning paint rollers, or tackling old paint removal, this paint multi-tool is going to make your workday a bit brighter. And the added putty knife in the second version is a clever and practical addition to an already great product that can take any painting job to the next level. You can also trust it not to do its own thing because of the integrated locking mechanism. And with prices ranging from $13 to $28, you can upgrade your painting toolkit without breaking the bank and experience the difference for yourself. Moving on from painting, do you want to see a tool that is bound to revolutionize the entire packaging industry? From P331 Plastic Strapping Tool. The packaging industry is about to be shaken up by the introduction of a new type of plastic strapping tool. This tool is tailor-made to tighten strapping around packages, accommodating tape widths of up to 1.2 inches or 32 millimeters, and it offers some major advantages over its competitors. Its use of welding instead of seals means that it is both faster and more efficient. Its brushless motor inside not only ensures quiet operation, but also boasts a long lifespan without the risk of overheating. The tool has amazingly balanced weight distribution, which allows for an all-around comfortable working experience. That's not all. There's even a fully automatic tension adjustment version available for added convenience. The entire thing weighs just around 14.3 pounds or 6.5 kilograms, including the battery. And with just one charge, you can power through approximately 370 shipments. Invaluable saving time and effort. With a list price of $4,000, it's a groundbreaking investment that every shipping professional needs to make. Roberts Floor Rollers. The Roberts Company has been around for nearly a century, and during that time, they have cemented themselves as pioneers of tool and accessory creation for professional carpet installers. Their line of extendable floor rollers is by far one of the best ways to get the job done, without breaking so much as a sweat. So stop letting your tools hold you back, and give this heavy-duty roller the chance to show you what it can do. According to the Roberts website, their product is the ultimate way to get that perfect bond and flawless finish between your linoleum or vinyl and adhesive, and for just $285. You can snag the 75-pound or 34 kilograms model and kiss backaches goodbye. Their rollers are built to be tough, and with models available that tip the scales at up to 100 pounds or 45 kilograms, even the toughest linoleum won't warp under its bulk. Some versions even come with removable legs and wheels, perfect for zipping around, and all of them are balanced to perfection, so the glue will always be evenly distributed without worries. Have you ever wanted to operate a mini forklift? Stay tuned to see the coolest one yet. Armeg Brick Line Runner. This tool might look simple, but it will definitely surprise you with how handy it is. And we know you can probably get a basic version of it somewhere online for a couple of bucks. But for just $41, you could rather invest in a tool that you will have with you for a long time. And for the quality and convenience it offers, it is really quite a steal. This UK-manufactured gem steps up the game with its 2-clamp system, spring-loaded inserts for easy line winding, rubber pads that ensure a snug fit every time, and body crafted from tough polypropylene. It's built to last through the rough and tumble. Weighs just 9.2 ounces or 260 grams, and comes in a set that includes 2 clamps and a 33-foot or 10-meter line. This brick line runner will completely change the way you're able to do brickwork, so don't miss out. Morin Mini Smart Forklift. Construction machines are being upgraded every day, and our latest focus is the forklift. Introducing the Morin Mini Smart Forklift, a smaller hydraulic version of the machine we all know and love. The manufacturers have created a compact forklift that is perfect for everything from repair shops to warehouses and supermarkets. And even though it weighs a measly 287 pounds or 130 kilograms, it has an impressive lifting capability of 1,213 pounds or 500 kilograms. Compact efficiency is the name of the game, and while it's only 29 inches or 74 centimeters wide, it has a lifting height of 59 inches or 1.4 meters, and it's integrated with smart technology for an unparalleled experience. The super cool forklift has a single button control, so the chances of making a mistake are basically zero. Even totally new employees can become pros when using this forklift, and the manufacturers can be contacted to request a price. No countdown would be complete without a good old pipe bender, so keep watching for Rigid's version. Festool Universe SSU 200. Next up, we have one of the coolest chainsaws you'll see all day. This unusual model is ideal for cutting through a number of materials such as insulation materials and so much more. The chainsaw is designed to provide precise cuts and can manage a whole range of operations such as crosscuts, miter cuts, and rip cuts, making each of these more convenient than ever. The SSU 200 weighs about 30% less than your average circular saw, of the same size at only 14 pounds or 6.3 kilograms, and it truly embodies compact functionality with a cutting depth of 8 inches or 20 centimeters. It comes with a convenient guide rail and can carry out miter cuts of up to 60 degrees. The German-made saw has the attachment for a dust extractor, and it features the bonus of being able to change and replace the tensioning chain without any tools. The price tag comes in at $1,050, but for all the perks you receive, it's definitely worth it. Rigid hydraulic pipe bender. When in need of a pipe bender, you can't do much better than the rigid hydraulic pipe bender. The great news is that this manufacturer has a plethora of options when it comes to pipe benders, offering both manual electric and electro-hydraulic options. These compact portable pipe benders can be used for on-site pipe bending, but this is not the limit of their functionality. Whether you need pipe bending for industrial applications or for boiler making jobs, Rigid will have exactly what you need. Some of the models even include features for better control like return springs and pressure relief valves. And the best part is that these benders come with a wide range of accessories, and the full kit will have you bending pipes like a pro in no time at all. The pipe bender kit starts at a price of $1,728. Bosting Valve Remote. The timber industry is expected to grow to a whopping $193 billion by 2028, and this means that we will constantly be seeing new innovations coming forth. To make this job more straightforward, loggers can now rejoice thanks to the Bosting Valve Remote, since this single amazing tool will go a long way towards making the logging industry safer and less strenuous. This wedge is set to make easy work out of any tree felling job, and once you have a big enough gap for it to slide into, the tree will be brought to the ground in no time at all. This attachment tops the list as one of the most useful tools out there, and the complete set that ensures you are ready to tackle any big tree, and your path will set you back about $3,317. Now that logging is safer and easier, let's do the same for ladder safety with the new age SafeLad. Rigid Octane Router. Rigid is well known for their range of remarkable tools, and they definitely impress with their newest Octane router that will simplify all your woodworking projects. This new model is the peak of innovation, since it not only embodies compact efficiency at just 2.7 pounds or 1.2 kilograms, but it also boasts 15% more than its predecessors. The tool is battery-powered for handheld convenience, but it's also got advanced technology like soft starting to ensure no accidental gouges and errors on your wood. It comes with a vacuum chute to ensure sawdust doesn't go flying all over the place. You can adjust the depth without specialized tools using the micro-adjusting dial. If you're not convinced yet, everything that comes included in the $180 kit will definitely do the trick. You can expect the tool alongside a bit, 2 bases, an edge guide, 2 dust ports, and a collect wrench. This is value you cannot miss out on. SafeLad. No tool countdown would be complete without a few inventions for safety, and the SafeLad is one of the best modern inventions you can count on. This universal ladder support can be attached with ease, and it gives construction workers and anyone using ladders the peace of mind, knowing it won't slip or teeter over. Even when working solo, complete ladder safety can now be guaranteed. This tool allows you to even secure your ladder at an angle, thanks to the wide range of adjustable possibilities. You won't need anything to power the SafeLad, and it's even got a built-in level, so you can always trust in your ladder. The creator of this revolutionary tool has found an investor to make a huge launch in Norway, Denmark, and Sweden, but we can't wait for the time when it reaches all of our toolboxes. Lifting Clamp 600 Octopus. Many of these tools are created for a specialized purpose, which is great. But if you need a handy tool that'll be able to help you carry just about everything on the construction site, the Octopus Lifting Clamp 600 is exactly what you need. The secure lifting clamp weighs a meager 73 pounds, or 33 kilograms. But don't let that fool you, since it boasts a lifting capacity of 1,323 degrees, or 600 kilograms that will ensure no construction object will be a match. Whether you need to carry around car tires, press boards, paving blocks, or anything in between, the Octopus will do the job. This This clamp has an impressive 7-year warranty and features automatic grab and release technology. Did you know that you can even use it with a forklift? The price tag of $1,000 is certainly justified. So when will you be getting yours? Want to see something that will ensure your fingers are no longer in harm's way when building? Don't go anywhere. Magnet driver, nail holder. Are you tired of hitting your fingers blue and having to deal with pain for days every time you tackle a construction or DIY project? Well, the magnet driver nail holder is the answer. This nail driver holds the nail in place with a powerful neodymium magnet to ensure that it won't move an inch, and this will spare your fingers from being in the line of fire. Whether you're working with roofing nails, finishing nails, or anything in between, the universal holder will be compatible. The tool itself is made from chrome vanadium steel, which is widely renowned as being incredibly resistant to corrosion and rust. The manufacturers thought of absolutely everything, down to special grip inserts for comfortable use. It is small enough to not cause space troubles for your toolbox, and it comes in a modest price tag of $26. Zircon PEX Expansion Tool. Expansion heads are always handy on the construction site, and the Zircon PEX Expansion Tool is guaranteed to be everything you need and more in one convenient package. This tool is perfectly designed for polymer pipe installation, and with it, the manufacturer offers a wide range of practical uses. The cleverly interlocking teeth and the blunt nose work together to ensure seamless operation, and it also ensures that expansion is perfectly gradual and even. The rings on this tool are marked for quick referencing, and you are able to use it with both manual and power tools. Even in the cold weather, you'll be able to enjoy high quality and error-free expansion with this tool, and the expansion head will definitely shave valuable time off your project at a price of $90 per expansion head. This is a must-have tool. Albion's Ribbon Bead Nozzle. Our next tool is one that will ensure the application of liquid-based things is no longer the headache it used to be. Whether you are applying sealant, putty, liquid waterproofing, or anything else of similar consistency, the ribbon bead nozzle will transform the job. The standout feature is adjustability, since with this standard tool, you can apply a neat 1.8-inch or 4.5 centimeter thick, or 2-inch or 5 centimeter wide layer of whatever you're using, but with a quick adjustment with your utility knife. This can be increased to a 4-inch or 10 centimeter wide application layer. One single nozzle has 5 different size variations, so the application job will become a piece of cake. The tool is also super lightweight, with the plastic body only weighing 0.25 pounds or 113 grams. Can you guess the price? It's only $7 per applicator nozzle. Speaking of nozzles, how about one that can propel air as fast as twice the speed of sound? Ballantine Gear Evoke System. Back to roofing. We have the Ballantine Gear Evoke System, a modern invention that may just be the best thing the roofing industry has ever seen. Whether you're a roof cleaner, a construction professional, or an insurance professional, clambering up the roof is something that can now be done with complete peace of mind. This harness is designed for pitched roofs, and this sense of safety has been proven to improve productivity by as much as 30%. When you practice a few times, it's possible to fully install this system onto your roof in as little as 7 minutes, and the kit will have everything you need right on hand. What you'll find in the kit is a 20 or 30 foot or 6 or 9 meter rope and a harness system, and a setup to support a single working person will be priced at $1,500. Crab Clamp. Clamps are always super handy, and this is exceptionally true for the Crab Clamp, the ultimate solution for lifting curated scaffolding sheets. This tool proves that sometimes a simplistic design is the best, and with its adjustable width, it's incredibly convenient to use. The Crab Clamp is able to grip 10 sheets at once, which is 40% more than the closest competitor. And since you only need 2 people for optimal operation, this will be a labor-reducing marvel on the job site. The total weight is 7.7 pounds or 3.5 kilograms, making it easy to transport around, and the price tag is a reasonable $200. Airspade 5000. Airspade 5000 is the name of the next tool on our countdown, and while it's perfect for landscapers, cleaning companies, and underground utility installers, we're pretty sure you can find a use for it in your shop or garage. The impressive tool has a special nozzle that blasts air at lightning rates, and to be precise, the pressurized air is able to reach twice the speed of sound. The included adapter lets you manipulate the airflow angle up to 45 degrees, ensuring you can enjoy precise aiming and easy work, whether you need to clean pipes, driveways, tree roots, or anything in between. The Airspade 5000 is the answer. It can provide a whopping airflow of 1,585 gallons, or 6.4 cubic meters per minute. And for a price of $3,000, it will surely be a life-changing investment. Did you know that you can now invest in an entirely tailored ramp for any needs you may have? Roller ramp. Many of us find ourselves in need of a ramp at the most unexpected of times. And whether you are a motorcycle owner or a restaurant owner, the roller ramp will be an outstanding addition to your arsenal of tools. The cherry on the cake? The ramp can be customized to your exact space requirements, and this is why the manufacturer provides a quick and easy configurator online that can be used to design your perfect ramp. The inventive design of the ramp ensures that you won't have to worry about slipping and water on the surface of your ramp. And when you're done using it, it conveniently rolls up for effortless storage. The ramp is able to support an impressive weight of 998 pounds, or 453 kilograms, and considering an 8.8 foot or 2.7 meter stretch, only costs about $1,200. It's one of the best ramps on the market. Haza Turbo Oz Blast Pistol. There are a few things as satisfying as a perfect clean, and this is why it's a gadget you cannot afford to miss out on. This nozzle attachment is perfect for cleaning basically any grimy surface, and whether you want to tackle your carpets or your car rims, it will not disappoint. This is an incredibly compact and lightweight tool, weighing only 4.6 ounces or 160 grams, but it definitely packs a punch. The gadget is able to withstand a working pressure of 174 psi or 12 bar. The 0.4-inch or 10mm hose diameter will ensure that you can easily connect it to a range of compressors. And if there's one cleaning tool to invest in, there's no doubt that it's the one. This price tag is a low $43. Milwaukee MX Fuel Plate Compactor. Milwaukee is a well-respected name in construction, and any one of their tools will be able to flawlessly finish the job. This is why when tools like the Milwaukee MX Fuel Plate Compactor become available for pre-order, no one hesitates to make the leap. According to the manufacturer, the new high-powered MX batteries that this device is powered by will soon replace all traditional gasoline-powered tools. These batteries will be enough for 35 minutes of continuous use, enough to completely compact an area of 4,995 square feet or 464 square meters. You've probably heard of the One Key system by now, and naturally this is a feature on the MX Fuel Plate Compactor, so you can monitor the machine's location and status on your smartphone, wherever you are. It does have a hefty weight of 163 pounds or 74 kilograms, but the amazing functionality will be well worth the effort. The price starts at about $5,500. This compactor is cool, but we're not sure if anything compares to the magic of a stackable toolbox. Klein Tools Power Hub. Klein Tools never fails to impress, and their new Power Hub goes a long way towards making the job of construction workers easier. This new gadget is a clever all-in-one combination of everything you need to work without any hassle. Included is a strong work light that shines with 5,000 lumens and a collection of 6 112-volt power outlets. The light is more than 5 times brighter than your average 75-watt bulb. But this is not where the advantages of this power hub end. There is a built-in mount capable of holding a cable up to 49 feet or 15 meters long, as well as 2 USB Type-A and 2 Type-C ports, so you can truly charge and power everything you need. It's even got ergonomic carrying handles to ensure moving it around with you won't be a struggle. And this is why the $250 price tag is definitely understandable. Hilti VC Cordless Dust Extractor. From the tiniest of countries, Liechtenstein, came the world-known Hilti, a construction company that generated $6.3 billion in sales for 2022. Now they have hundreds of cool tools, but today we're focusing on the VC, Cordless Dust Extractor. This gadget is worn as a backpack and is a popular invention all across the world, from Japan to the States. The wearable dust extractor is great for keeping your workspace dust and sawdust free, and since it weighs in at only 13 pounds or 6 kilograms, you won't even know you're wearing it. What's super impressive is the fact that it can hold 15.5 pounds or 7 kilograms of dust, so it won't let you down when you really need it. At a price of $1,150, it is a bit of an investment, but rest assured it's one you won't regret. The Hangman. Getting back to ladder safety one last time, we have a gadget that will ensure you don't need to keep going up and down your ladder every time you need a different project for the job. The tool is aptly named Hangman, and it was designed by a professional in the field who had his last ladder accident and decided to take action. Thus, his broken $500 nail gun inspired the Hangman. It's a mount that attaches securely to your ladder at your desired height, and whether you need a place for your screwdriver or your paint can, the Hangman clip will be ready. It can be adjusted to hold just about everything you need, and for peace of mind, it's got a 35-pound or 16-kilogram capacity. This revolutionary ladder attachment is guaranteed to be worth the investment at a price tag of $80. Modbox. Have you ever imagined the possibilities of a stackable toolbox? Well, we are now introducing the Modbox from Klein Tools, the best toolbox organization kit on the market that will be a transformative investment for both professionals and DIYers. This modern toolbox meets workstation is flexible to meet many user needs. The bottom toolbox has a 249 pounds or 113 kilogram capacity, and you'll then have the option to add smaller 99 and 75 pound or 45 and 34 kilogram boxes on top. To make everything easy to use, the boxes have convenient handles. Klein Tools offers an online configuration tool to ensure you can design your ideal mod box, but there's even more options. The mod box also has an attachment for a 32 pocket backpack and a 33 pocket bag. To get an idea of the pricing, the base box with rugged wheels for any terrain has a tag of $150. When you get to the job site with this toolbox, be sure you have a handy concrete cutter inside, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Tough Built Roller Stand. The Tough Built Roller Stand is a practical tool that will save you endless amounts of backache. And when you're working on long workpieces, this is the only support stand you'll need. Everything from steel pipes to construction boards can be supported with ease. And even if you're working in a small workshop, this tool has a foldable design that ensures it won't take up a lot of space. The entire roller stand weighs in at 9.9 pounds or 4.5 kilograms, and it boasts height adjustments from 27.5 to 43.3 inches or 70 to 110 centimeters. Can you guess the price? It's an affordable $60. Hoffman IQ Beam and Panel Tightener Set. Now we have a cool invention from Hoffman, IQ Beam, and Panel Tightener Set. And it's only fitting since this widely renowned company prints their annual catalogs in a whopping total of 18 different languages. When you're dealing with panels of any sort, wood, CLT, and more, this set will be all you need. It includes various marking tools, tensioners, and a nifty carrying case. The hooks are made from strong forged steel, and all that's needed to secure and loosen them is a few strikes of your hammer. This is thanks to the advanced double-acting ratchet mechanism, and all this amazing functionality comes in at a price of $566. Pervious Concrete Joint Cutter. We bet you didn't think that a sort of rolling cookie cutter tool would exist for concrete installations, but not only does the Pervious Concrete Joint Cutter make the list as one of the best tools, it's absolutely crucial to achieve good results. The tool is designed to make controlled joints in concrete floors before they harden. You may be wondering why this is necessary, and the answer is that these joints allow easier monitoring and repair of cracks that are bound to appear in concrete over time. The roller measures in at 3.3 feet or 1 meter wide, and the seam it creates is about 1.7 inches or 4.4 centimeters deep. This valuable tool is a great long-term investment in all concrete projects, so the price of roughly $700 is definitely not a stretch. iToolCo Ground Raw Dog. It's not always easy to put a specific price on your safety and comfort, but sometimes it is possible, especially when it comes to working with tools and equipment that needs to be grounded to avoid electrocution. This next product will show you how you can save money and perhaps ensure work site safety too. As many technicians know, when you're out in the field tackling electrical installations, the risk of an unexpected shock constantly looms over you. But with this nifty $240 attachment, there'll be no more sweating it out with manual labor or worrying about getting zapped unexpectedly, and no more struggling to drive rods into the ground. The Ground Rod Dog does it like a pro, keeping them at the perfect height, 0.8 and 1 inches, or 2 and 2.5 centimeters above ground level. It can handle bumpy terrain, so no worries about working on those slippery slopes either. It plays nice with a bunch of jackhammers too, thanks to its hex shake. And no matter what tools you're using, this tool with its now patented design has got your back. These tools are must-haves by every standard, but we have more coming up in our next countdown.